Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your spare tire off a Buick Enclave. First, locate the access panel in the cargo area of your vehicle. This panel typically hides the mechanism for lowering the spare. Next, gather the specific tools provided with your Enclave, which are essential for this task. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged before you begin any work. Your Buick Enclave's spare tire is cleverly stored underneath the vehicle, typically towards the rear. To access it, you'll need to open the rear liftgate and locate a small access panel on the floor of the cargo area. Beneath this panel, you'll find the lowering mechanism. Additionally, your vehicle's essential tools, including the jack, lug wrench, and extension rods, are usually stored in a dedicated compartment, often on the side of the cargo area or under the floor. Once you have your tools, assemble the extension rods by connecting them securely. Insert the assembled rod through the access hole in the cargo floor until it engages with the lowering mechanism. Now, attach the lug wrench to the end of the rod and turn it counterclockwise. This action will slowly lower the spare tire from beneath the vehicle. Continue turning until the tire is completely on the ground and the cable is slack, allowing for easy removal. With the spare tire fully lowered, you can now carefully slide it out from under your Buick Enclave. Be mindful of the cable and the retaining plate. After installing your spare, place the flat tire in the spare tire's original storage location, securing it with the lowering mechanism to prevent movement. Remember, always use wheel chocks to prevent the vehicle from rolling and ensure the parking brake is firmly engaged for your safety throughout the entire process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.